This is the Audi iTrail concept. It is a pretty wacky thing, and it follows on from the other i concepts, including the iRace, the iCon, and the iMe. Now, clearly it is showing what Audi thinks it can do with an electric off-roader. And it is pretty extreme. I mean, check out the complete lack of overhangs, the chunky tyres, and it also has level 4 autonomy. It's got 400 brake horsepower from 4 electric motors, and it'll do around about 250 miles. But that's kind of all beside the point, really, because this is a design concept, and we might actually see some of these design cues in Audi SUVs as far off as 2030. However, one of the neat touches that I particularly like is that it has got headlights on a detachable drone that can actually leave the car and go and light the road up ahead of you. How cool is that? Anyway, in the meantime, I think it looks pretty cool, and it could show us something of what we'll see from Audi in the future.